Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I wanted to share something with you. This past week we had a class here at Jill's house and I had an epiphany. We had a new friend who hasn't been a part of the stamping world in about 15 years. She hasn't seen Stampin' Up! Products or worked with Stampin' Up! Products or stamped at all. And I kind of had this thought. I wonder if there's a lot of people out there who haven't played with Stampin' Up! Products in a long time and realize that there's a lot of new things that Stampin' Up! Has come out with in the last 15 years. She didn't know about the Big Shot. She didn't know we offer different stamp set types and all of our coordinating colors, a lot of the products that Stampin' Up! Offers for us to purchase. So I thought maybe there are more people like her out there, and I wanted to share just some simple products that we offer and how to use them. So we're going back to basics with our Back to Basics series for our Watch It Weekly Wednesday. So today I'm going to share with you the different stamp set types that Stampin' Up! Offers. The first type is our wood mount stamp set. This is the kind that Stampin' Up! Has offered since the very beginning. You get your wood blocks, you get your stickers, and you get your rubber mounts. And you put them together and they're so great. And so many people love this. They are kind of like the old school way of stamping. So 15 years ago or longer, Stampin' Up! You used to have to cut out each one of these stamps from a big sheet of rubber. But now they laser cut around here so that you can just pop them right out and stick them right on. And it's kind of fantastic how far that they have come with their stamp sets. So that is our wood mount stamp sets. The next type I want to show you is our clear mount. This also in the last 15 years, they've come out with this clear mount. So as you can see, there's still the red rubber, but instead of them sending wood blocks, they just send them just with the red rubber, and you put the stickers right directly onto the stamp set. So I'm going to show you in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you put together one of these stamp sets. But I wanted to also show you the clear blocks that come with these. So here in the catalog on page 206 are the clear blocks. They're clear acrylic blocks. There's 9 different sizes. They go A through I, and they have a grooved edge, so it's really easy to grip them when you're stamping. Also, if you purchase the clear block bundle, so all 9 of the clear blocks, you get a 10% discount for doing that. So that's an awesome way to get all the collection if you want to get a little discount. Let me show you here. Stampin' Up! Also has this awesome case that you can store your clear blocks in. And it's just, let me just show you. It's so fantastic. You just pop them out and get your stamp, and you just put them right on top of there. And then when you're done with that stamp, you take it off and you put it back. So you can use the same set of clear blocks for all of your stamps. It's fantastic. And if you choose to do it this way, yes, it's an investment to get all of the acrylic clear blocks, but the clear mount stamp sets are a little cheaper than the wood mount, so you get it back in that way. And also, the cases are smaller to store, so if you don't have as much room in your stamp room, you may like that too. They're about half the size of the wood mount, so that's pretty awesome too. Okay, so for our third stamp set type, we have now, in just the last couple of years, Stampin' Up! Has started to carry photopolymer stamps. These stamps are my personal favorite, and they're really nice because you can see directly through them onto your stamping surface. So it's really easy to line things up and to get your image exactly where you want it. You also use the clear acrylic blocks for these stamp sets. Photopolymer stamp sets are less expensive, but because they don't have that foam padding on them that the rubber mount do, it is a good idea to grab a piercing mat, and these are nice foam. So you'll put that underneath your work surface and stamp on top of it, and it'll give you that extra cushion that you need to get a really clear image from your photopolymer stamp sets. Okay, one last thing that I wanted to share with you is how to put a stamp set together. Photopolymer, it comes and you don't have to do anything with it. You just have to take it off and put it right onto your clear block and you're ready to go. But with the rubber mount stamp set, the clear rubber mount stamp sets, here I have a set that isn't put together yet. Stampin' Up! Now, They laser cut all of their stamps so you can just pop it right out of the rubber. Makes it so easy to do. You're going to peel off this piece on the back here. Whoop. And then you're also going to take the backing off of the sticker part. So you can see they cut it in half, so it's really easy to get off of there, like that. And then instead of taking that whole sticker up and trying to line it up onto your stamp, I take my stamp right to the sticker, just like this. And I kind of pat it down to get it, and then peel it up, and then you have a perfect stamp put together with the sticker on top. Now, one thing that we've noticed with these clear mount stamps is sometimes they're a little tricky to get to stick to the acrylic block without a little bit of help. So you can see it kind of falls off, and when you're stamping, that can get a little bit frustrating. So a little trick that we found is we take two-way glue. This is a product that Stampin' Up! Used to carry, but we no longer do. But you could find this at your local craft store, no problem. So we just take the two-way glue and just rub it back and forth right along that sticker. And this, it doesn't affect the stamping at all. It doesn't damage it in any way. It just gives it a little bit of extra stick so that when you go to put it on your block, it stays on nicely. So then we just let that dry. Doesn't take too long. And then you can pop your block right on there. And it sticks, it stays, it's so nice. Just like that. So then you'll go ahead and put the rest of your stamp set together and you'll be ready to go. Another trick, in our clear mount stamp cases, we keep the entire red rubber piece to kind of keep our set nice and cozy in there so that we don't lose pieces, and we know if a piece is missing out of that piece is gone. So that's another tip too. I hope you enjoyed learning about the different stamp sets that we offer. And if you can think of anyone who needs to get back to basics and learn what Stampin' Up! Has to offer, please make sure you share this video with them. And if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.